The history of bread is almost the equivalent of the history of mankind. The first and probably the most permanent symbol of civilization is wheat. From the field to the table, bread has a long and demanding route. First, the land should be prepared. Seeds can be planted only when it is the time. And then they come to life. In the fruitful land with the rain, they sprout. When their color turns golden, they can no longer carry the grain. It is the harvest time. They are collected. The wheat is brought to the mill to be sifted, to be cleaned, and to be processed. Every single grain is precious. They are all utilized. Master hands give them the taste. They become even more delicious when shared. What a pleasure to the one producing it, raising it, and giving it. Today, this demanding and precious journey takes place in modern mills with expert teams as developed technologies result. Compared to the past, the production has become much faster, in much bigger amounts and higher quality. Today, from the entry of the crop through its processing until packaging, the production capacity reaches thousands of tons per day. Even for only one factory, with the help of supplied equipment and machinery. Ozpolat Milling Machinery Technology is a brand which can produce factories, which can manage the production processes in mentioned quantities, which has proven its leadership in the sector. A factory that makes factories. With corporate experience, Ozpolat's high-quality, solid, efficient and durable machines date back to the 1960s. Today, Ozpolat is continuing project management, design and production with expert personnel in its environment-friendly facility. By combining technical knowledge and experience, Ozpolat is producing smart machines and smart systems for each and every step of the production and keeps advancing its skills to supply the latest technology with the highest quality and favorable prices. As the first company to produce a fully automatic single-body cast iron roller mill in Turkey, Ozpolat proved its pioneering capabilities in the 1980s. Ozpolat has the rightful pride of producing and using the new, and has been providing turnkey flour and semolina factories since the 1980s with expert engineers. At every project, professional engineers use modern design tools and production tools to decide on even the smallest parts details, and all those parts are produced in micron sensitivity and in accordance with international quality standards and norms by a 90-person team. Quality and innovation always come together at Ozpolat Milling Machinery Technology, and quality control approval is a must at every step for all projects. Flour, semolina, wheat, corn, pulse, and feed factories producer Ozpolat Milling Machinery Technology has more than 300 references with turnkey factories or projects on 5 continents. Durable, efficient, and high-quality Ozpolat machines are exported to more than 30 countries. Ozpolat's guiding principle is presenting new, technological and high-quality products to the milling industry, and Ozpolat is moving forward in this goal with corporate experience, consistent service and widespread service points. Ozpolat Milling Machinery Technology is focusing on healthy, safe and environment-friendly solutions for a better world. Our projects: wheat flour and semolina mills, corn flour and semolina mills, feed mills, lentil and bulgur factories, pulse, grain cleaning and sorting machinery, rice sifting, classifying, cleaning and polishing machinery, R&D and innovation projects, industrial radial fan design, software and ability development project, roller mill automation and modernization for flour mills project, corn semolina laboratory project, vertical grain polishing project, grain sifting design and efficiency improvement project, Inox turbo grain conditioning optimization project, vertical rice scouring machine project.